What is good? What is good? What is good, guys? Kingsley Joshua Trey Lord himself come to you live. And yeah, let's get into video was it 24? Excuse me. A lot of things happened in the market. I had to clean up my charts. It was really messy. Um so let's go over a few things that's happening, right? So first off, this was a L that we took, on GBP JPY, right? Um yeah, that was a L after that win. And then market came all the way down. That was this L right here. We're gonna expand this. Yeah, so GBP JPY, we took the $200 L. All good. As you can see, I'm in profit. Actually in some trades. These are actually Blue Jay setups that I'll be going over for the first time, I guess, on here. It's been a while since we have a couple Blue Jay setups, but I've just been showing you guys the Robin trap, right? Uh, Again, if you want to learn more of my strategies in detail, hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, and I have a full online one-on-one Zoom call mentorship program, $700 one-time fee, and we get it cracking. I'm your mentor for life. Um, right now, since we took that L on this pair, we are still going for the 200, risking 200 to make 100 on the next falling play. Now there was this play right here that it could have went up a little bit more and tag us in, for that drop, but it's all good. Now we just gotta wait for a 4-hour break of structure. So if I go to the 4-hour chart, that's where we're currently at. So yeah, just waiting on that. But now there's two of these in a row. Higher probabilities we're gonna get that next $100, right? Now, after we took that L, we had two wins. Now, AUD, we kind of got robbed. We were risking $25 to make $50 on this one. I guess the play went so fast that it closed us out. I don't know what happened, but I'll show you that too. But this was the Euro JPY pair play. After we had two wins right here, we took this one and went all the way into this drawdown, close to getting stopped out, and then all of a sudden it came down and smacked us with $100. Well, really $125, right? So it gave us a little extra, so that helps out. But yeah, that was good. So we made already, some of that back already, and we're already up in $100 in profit right now, thanks to this Blue Jay setup right here. We're looking to make $200 on this play, and I'll get into that after I go through all the charts here. But yeah. So now currently, since we have that play and we had this mini win, look for another mini win. We're risking $100 to make $50 on the next one. So we're waiting for a 4-hour break of structure. Reason why we're waiting for a 4-hour break of structure, because everything is up structure on the monthly, up structure on the weekly, up structure on the daily, and the 4-hour is just down structure. So you got these three out of the four horsemen, right? Going into the upside. So we just need the 4-hour to flip. So we're waiting on that patiently. This pair we're skipping. We had as you can see here, on USD JPY, big win, and then the two mini wins right here. Boom, boom, and then we have a third one. So we're either waiting for one more or we're waiting for a big win. but we just gotta wait for that 4 hour structure to break, just like similar on the other JPY pairs. Bitcoin, just waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. Again, not taking any of these setups, but yeah, these are the setups that developed so far. And CHF JPY, the JPY pairs all went down, right? So we just chilling out. Why we chilling out? We already have big win, small win, small win. So we're just chilling, waiting for the next following setup. We already got our pattern. This thing, we're waiting for a 4 hour break structure. And we'll risk $25 to make $50 on the next play right here. So currently this is just chilling right here. 4 hour. And the 4 hours just yeah, chill on the 4 hour. Wait for that break of structure. Waiting for a 4 hour break of structure here. And I'll risk $100 to make $50 on Euro USD. We had a big win here, and then mini win right here. So we're waiting for another mini win. The strategy is really that simple, man. USD CAD. Wait for a 4 hour. Oh, we already got that 4 hour break of structure. And now it's in this play right here. We'll see what we get here in this play. But I already had my big win and 2 mini wins, so we're chilling out, not doing nothing. So right now, a lot of these pairs are on chill out mode, waiting for a 4 hour, waiting for a 1 hour con. So I'm waiting for a 1 hour continuation. We're still in this fib. Now it can break structure, and then we gotta wait for a 1 hour break structure back up. But this is the AUD. This is the play that we actually won. Remember, after 4 mini wins in a row, so we had big win 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Then you go for a big win. So without this thing hitting the 0 point, and we cracked that, I would have risked $25 to make $50 on this play, and you would have got the $50, but we got stopped out. I mean, we got target, but I guess it just went too fast and it came right back down a little bit. I don't know what's going on, but we just, that was supposed to be, unless the lot size was wrong, but that was supposed to be a $50 win right here. But it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, that's what we got. And now since we have that big win, now we're all risk is $200 to make $100 on the next play. And waiting for a 4 hour break of structure here. And that's the GBP USD. As you can see on GBP USD, we're not in the setup. We're looking to risk $25 to make $50, but we need a 4 hour break of structure. Now, this is the GBP USD trade that we're in currently. This is called the Blue Jay strategy, right? So the Blue Jay strategy is basically I see a pattern of two of these, especially on GBP pairs, USD. I'll look for these two winners in the row, and then I'll go against the next one, and that's what we're currently doing. We're expecting this setup to fail, which is doing a good job of it doing right now. And the probabilities are higher. I'm risking $200 to make $200 on this one. Reason why, if I go back to the past history here, see, like for this example, like if I had a win here, there's a loss, and I need 2 wins, right? It's all about the 2 wins. So, okay, for this example right here, I had 1, 2. So I would have risked really $100 to make uh $200. I mean, well, $100 to make $100 on this play. Now I would have lost that $100, and now I would risk $200 to make $200, and then I would have nailed that, making that $100 back and being $100 in profit. So that's 1, 2, 3. It did, and then the last one. So this is by itself, and this was the 1, 2, and then same thing here, 3. So I know on the GBP USD, I I usually get so I usually get 2 in a row. Oh yeah, this is another thing I do too. It's like if I get like mad losses in a row here, I count them up, then I take the play to the upside, and I would have nailed this one. But yeah, I usually get 2 wins in a row, then nail the second one. But yeah, I'm not gonna go too deep in this strategy because this strategy is a little bit more complicated, and I'm gonna keep this thing to myself. If you want to know the Blue Jay strategy, but the probabilities of this winning is extremely high, especially if I had three, see, like 3 in a row and then a loss, then 3 in a row, then a loss. That usually doesn't happen. Usually it's 2 in a row and then a loss. So I'm expecting for this one not to do a third one and come collapsing down and hitting this level right here, which is this exact number right here, which is doing a good job right now, $95 in the profit, right? And also on AUD, I got something similar on AUD when we have 2 wins in a row, expecting this one to fail, right? Just like here, 2, so it's like 3, right? Again, and these are the 2. Now I would have won that, so I would have lost this one and then win this one. But yeah, I'm expecting for this thing to drop 2 as well. And if we get a third one, I'm only, well, on this pair, probabilities are a little bit lower, so I risked $50 to make $50 on this one. So in case it does go up, then I can go ham and risk $200 to make $200 on the next one. That's the plan, right? So that's the game plan there. And we're in the only trades that we're in currently is the Blue Jays, right? Robin traps are, just basically done out. As I continue more, back to the finding the Robin traps. This is actually currently one right here that I could have set up, but this thing is already so close to hitting that stop out point. But this is a play that I would take because there's the big win here. You have a big win there and a big win here. So we got 2 big wins in a row. We got these irrelevance in between, but 2 big wins in a row. I'm expecting for this thing to come here. But since, this thing is nowhere near it, I don't really have it set up. I could have this set up. I could have this set up right there. But yeah, it looks like this thing is like bop. So there's no point to really do anything. But if it comes down all the way here, then I can, then I could start setting things up. But yeah, risking $200 to make $100 on this play. This thing, wait for that 1 hour break of structure. 4 hour, we're currently up structure like that on the 4 hour. Probabilities are high for this thing to come back up, but we might break that structure. So we'll see. We'll see. But again, I got mini win, and then a big win. So we're chilling out. Chilling out. So like I said, a lot of these pairs are on chill out mode, or they're just waiting for that break of structure. So we're back on GBP, JPY. So that just went through all the pairs, and yeah, that's it, guys. Right now, currently, this is what we got for this week so far. You know, we made about 100, close to 100 there, lost to 200, made 100 back. So yeah, and then now we're looking to make this 200 here and see if we're make $50 here. So risking, so making, looking to make 200 there and $50 there. So that would put me right back into the profit, over 6,000. And yeah, we just love be patient here. We just love be patient. But that's it. I'm just chill out, watch my shows, and relax. But that's see what we all get tomorrow. Deuces.